It is indeed a pleasure to be here and be part of this auspicious occasion. I believe that everyone present here this morning are elated over this milestone accomplishment in ensuring that Special Olympics Fiji can or to participate at the Games. I would like to thank everyone involved for making this dream a reality. Before I continue, I must apologize on behalf of the Minister of Youth and Sports, Honorable Laisindia Duitubo, who couldn't make it today as he is away on an official trip overseas. However, the Ministry and representatives of the Fiji National Sports Commission are here as we celebrate with the Special Olympic movement here in Fiji for another milestone achievement made possible through strong collaboration and partnership for the sake of sports development in Fiji. I am reliably informed that Fiji will be sending a delegation or team of 9 members, consisting of 6 athletes and 3 officials to the 2015 Special Olympic Games in Los Angeles, led by Mr. Biswasidal. The 2015 Games will be the 14th Special Olympics World Summer Games scheduled from 25th July to 2nd August 2015 in Los Angeles. Our 9-member team will be joined by 7,000 athletes and 3,000 coaches representing 177 countries, along with 30,000 volunteers and an anticipated 500,000 spectators in Los Angeles, America. Commentators have predicted that the 2015 Special Olympic World Games will be the largest sports and humanitarian event. The Games also will be opportune time for spectators and volunteers to have their preconceptions about people with intellectual disabilities change forever. Special Olympics World Games and all of the 80,000 Special Olympics competitions that occur every year invite the public and the world to see beyond the outward appearance of these persons with their prejudices and appreciate their talents and capabilities of the people with intellectual disabilities. It's a way to open eyes, to change attitudes, and to break down barriers that excluded people with ID from the mainstream of community. The Los Angeles Games will also provide a venue for global discussions and action on the impact Special Olympics can have on the lives of people with intellectual disabilities. More than 200 million people worldwide have an intellectual disability, making it the largest disability group worldwide. Intellectual disability crosses racial, ethnic, educational, social, and economic lines and can occur in any family. Government through our ministry and the Fiji National Sports Commission are proud of this minority group that is all persons with intellectual disabilities. Today we have reiterated through this assistance that we will continue to strongly advocate for equality and your right to participate in the community. Today's event is evident of that recognition of the rights of intellectual persons. We would like to assure all Fijians with intellectual disabilities that you deserve to be recognized and you will also enjoy and partake of government's assistance, especially in sports equally enjoyed by others in Fiji. Special Olympics is about raising awareness of the abilities of people with intellectual disabilities. Through sports, they showcase the skills and dignity of strong athletes and also bring together communities to see and take part in the transformative power of sports. Special Olympics may be the only place where people with intellectual disabilities get a chance to become part of their communities and develop belief in themselves. And as you represent Fiji, do so with pride and also on behalf of those Fijians you're representing. Government today has offered its support, and I urge all stakeholders that we unite in recognizing their collective abilities as members of our community. In conclusion, I would like to mention and commend Fiji Airways and their strong partnership with all sporting organizations in Fiji. Again, I'm told that they have made special discounts for this trip. A big vinakavalimi for recognizing how important sports can really influence human development, especially for young people. We commend your commitment towards sports development in Fiji, and we hope that we will develop and strengthen our partnership in this regard. Thanks to Mr. Peter Macy and the Sports Commission for their tireless efforts in securing and making everything possible for these athletes. I believe that your work is hectic, having to receive and distribute funds in the past few months, and no doubt more are still to come as Fiji will be participating in major sporting events around the globe in the coming weeks and months. I'm really proud of this great team effort. It will definitely make dreams come true for many aspiring athletes and also promote Fijian talents on the global sporting arena. Thanks again for all your collective efforts. Mr. Sidar, on behalf of the Ministry, I would like to wish the team's preparations all the best. And I'm also looking forward to seeing you perform in LA in the coming weeks. Pinakabali.